Right. Okay. See. So first one, I am going to take the determine whether or not each of the definitions star given below give the binary operation or not. Justify your answer. First problem, first bit is everyone observe binary operation. Justify your answer. Either it is a binary operation, not a binary. Binary operation mean A, B belonging to the same set and the operation also belonging to the same set. After operation, that after using the symbol, it is also belonging to the same set. Then we say that it is a binary operation. First set write down. What is the given set? Is the Z plus. Z plus means positive values of integer. I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Up to infinity, right? So set is given. Star is defined. Star is defined by A star B. How it is defined? A star A operation B is the A minus B. A operation B is the A minus B. Star place is given by minus only. Star place is given by minus only. Okay, na? Star place is given by minus only. Everyone observe here. First one, if it is correct means no need to give the example. Direct write down. If it is fail mean you should be write down the one example. Okay, na? So first I will write here is the example in examination also. One corner write down example for all 2 belongs to 2 is a positive integer and 1 is a positive integer. I am going to take 2 belongs to Z plus and 3 belongs to Z plus and 2 also positive integer, 3 also positive integer. Apply the operation 2 star 3, 2 star 3, star operation is given by minus first one minus second one. What we get the value is the minus 1. We get the value is the minus 1. But minus 1 does not belong into the second same set. After applying this operation, the result must be belonging to the same set. But here result minus 1 not belonging to the same set. Therefore, binary operation, it is not a binary operation. Okay, na? So now here, example is over. Now write down in terms of words. For all A belongs to Z plus, comma B belongs to Z plus, B belongs to Z plus, such that A star B is equal to A minus B, such that A star B, such that A star A operation B, that operation is given by A minus B, does not belongs to Z plus. How means by the example? Does not, by the example it is failed. So here is the example is there. Here is the example is there. Here is star means operation. So this place of the star is given by minus. Here star place is given by minus. Okay, na? So now set is given by Z plus. Set is given by Z plus. What is the Z plus? Is the 2, 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to infinity element. Take any 2 element. I will take 2 belongs to Z plus. 2 is the element of the Z plus and 3 also element of the Z plus. Okay, na? 2 star 3. What is the star operation? Is given by minus first element minus second element. First element minus second element. 2 first element is the 2 minus second element is the 3. What is the value? Is the minus 1. Minus 1 does not belonging to the any out of 100 cases 99 is correct, one case is failed, that will be considered. Okay, na? Here is the fail case, only we can take -1 does not belonging to the Z plus, -1 does not belonging to the Z plus. Therefore, here I will write. So after the example is clear, na? Now write down in terms of words. Only writing the words in the this side. So A belongs to Z plus, B belongs to Z plus, such that, okay, na? A star B by the example A minus B value, by the example A minus B value is the -1. -1 is not belonging to the Z plus. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. Star is not a binary operation. Here is the clear binary operation. Binary operation. Now it is clear, everyone. Now it is clear. Any doubt? Now it is clear, now everyone. What, Rani? It is clear, huh? Everyone clear now? Next, I go through the next problem. Yes, right. Everyone take the second bit. What is the second bit? Is on Z plus. Z plus is the 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Star is defined by A star B is equal to, in place of star is multiplication, A into B is given. A into B is given. So star is given by multiplication here. The symbol of star is the multiplication A into B. So we can take one example. If it is true, means write down the statement. Okay, na? Any example we can take. For all 2 belongs to Z plus and 7 belongs to Z plus, 7 belongs to Z plus, and 2 star 7. Here star upper 2 operation 7. 2 operation 7. What is the operation symbol is given by multiplication? 2 into 7. 2 into 7. So 2 into 7 is the first element, into second element is a given. So 2 into 7 is a 14. 14 also belonging to the Z plus. Therefore, now it is a binary operation. So now it is a binary operation. Now it is clear. So example is clear. Here write down A for all. A belongs to Z plus. B belongs to Z plus, such that A star B is equal to AB belongs to Z plus. Any value you can take Z plus. Any value you can take Z plus. So it is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. That's enough. Example is there and write down in terms of words also there. Okay, na? Example write down. Any value you can take. Z plus any value take. Multiplication always belonging to the Z plus only. Multiplication always belonging to the Z plus only. Okay, na? So here operation star symbol is the multiplication. First element into second element. Right. Go through the third bit. On real numbers, set is given by real numbers. Third bit, set is given by real number. Set R is equal to real number. What is the real number, Sama? All the rational, all the integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers, root numbers, and irrational numbers, root 2, root 3. These numbers also, these all are called as a rational numbers. So integers also rational numbers. P by Q form is also rational number. Irrational numbers, root 2, root 3, root 5, also rational number, real numbers, and dotted. Okay, na? So these are called real numbers. Here operation star is defined by third bit. A star B is equal to multiplication first element into second element square. So first element into second element to square. First element into second element to square. Okay, na? Take any one example. So first you should be take any one example. First you write down any one example. So again it belonging to the real number. I will take for all 3 is a real number and 5 by 7 is a real number. 5 by 7 is a real number such that the what is the definition is first element. So first element star second element. First element star, how they are writing? First element into second element square. First element into second element square. Second element square, that is equal to 3 into 25 by 49. 25 by 49. What is the 25 by 49? 3 into 25 is a 75 by 49. Again, it is a fraction. Every fraction is a real number belonging to the real. Example is clear. Anyone you can take. Any value you can take. It must be belonging to the rational real numbers. Any value you can take. Any value you can take. It must be belonging to the real numbers. So real numbers mean integers, fractions, and root numbers. Any must be taken. So it belonging to the real number set only. Therefore, now write down in terms of words. A belongs to R, B belongs to R, such that A belongs to R, B belongs to R, such that A operation B is given by A. First element into second element square. It is also belonging to the real number by the example. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Okay, now? Fourth bit. Set is given by first problem, fourth bit. Everyone see first problem, fourth bit. Set is given by Z plus. Write down set is given by Z plus. Set is given by Z plus mean 1, 2, 3, all positive values up to infinity. How this star is defined? A star B is equal to A star B is equal to first element minus star is given by minus its modulus. First element minus second element its modulus. Just star is given. Take one example and check. Come on. Take example and check everyone. First side write down one example and check. Very easy problems. Any problem we can take. So 3 belongs to Z plus. 3 belongs to Z plus. 5 also belongs to Z plus. 5 also belongs to Z plus. Such that first element my star operation second element. So star is given by minus first element minus first second element modulus. Modulus mean it will make it a positive value. It is also belonging to the Z plus. Result value also belonging to the Z plus. Therefore, it is a binary operation. After star mark, we get the result value that is also belonging to the same set, that we say that it is a binary operation. Otherwise, it is not a binary operation. Okay, clear? Now it is successful. Now write down. So here is modulus of A minus B, Z plus. A belongs to Z plus, B belongs to Z plus. A minus B of modulus also belongs to Z plus. Therefore, It is a binary operation. One example in terms of words. One example in terms of words should be written down. Okay, na? Very easy to work out the problem. So many persons is afraid about binary operation. Very simply we are doing one example and write down in terms of words. Okay, na? Right, fifth bit. Set is given by z plus. Set is given by z plus. Star is given by A only. B is an identity element. So B is 1. So A into 1 is the A only. B is indirectly given by 1. A into 1 is A only. So here is the star is the multiplication and B value is the fixed one. B value is the fixed one. Actually it is the A into 1. So therefore A into 1. So star operation is the multiplication. B is the fixed value 1. B is the fixed value 1. Is not given me. We have the idea about that one. Right. You can take any one example. 3 belongs to Z plus, 5 belongs to Z plus, such that 3 star 5 is the 3 into 1 is the 3 also belonging to the Z plus. 3 into, so 3 star 5, B is not taken, only A should be written down. A star B is equal to A only. 3 star 5 is equal to 3 only. So therefore belonging to the Z plus, therefore it is a binary operation. Now write down is equal to A, star is a binary operation. So one example and a theory part. So it should be right, both means it should be completed. Clear now everyone? Right. First problem, 5 bits are completed. First problem, 5 bits are completed. Everyone see in the second model, second problem. Everyone observe second problem. We have nearly 11 problems. 11 problems. 12, 13 is the examples. Maximum I will complete today or day after tomorrow. I am going to try to complete the total exercise. I will give Wednesday is completed mean I will give the 3 days time. Next Monday should be have the examination. You should plan and everyone prepare. Can I? Right. Come to the first bit. Second problem, first bit, what is the given? Check the binary operation and the commutative or associative. Commutative, associative, binary operation, all are we have to be checked. All are we have to be checked. Okay, na? So commutative also check and associate also check and binary operation also you can check. Okay, na? So what is the given in? Set is given by Z. Set is given by Z. Z means already we know that minus infinity dotted dotted minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 dotted dotted up to infinity is a integer set. Star is given. A star operation. So A operation B is equal to minus is given. First element minus second element. Star is the minus. Star is the minus. Right. We have to check binary operation. We have to check commutative law and we have to check star is the associative also. 3 we have to check. Okay, na? Right. First binary. Immediately binary. So take one example for binary. Any example you should take. So for all minus 5 belongs to Z, minus 7 belongs to Z, 7 belongs to Z, such that minus 5 star 7. First element star is the minus 7. Total is the minus 12 belonging to the Z only. Therefore, true. Okay, na? So negative value also belonging to the Z only. Now write down simply for all A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z, such that A star B is equal to A minus B belonging to the Z by the example. By the example, already we write example that side. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. One is completed. Sir, it's fourth exercise. Yes, up to fourth exercise. All right, everyone see. What's the next commutative? What is a commutative mean? A star B is equal to B star A, we have to prove. A star B is equal to B star A, we have to prove. A star B, B star A, both are equal, it will become as a commutative. Otherwise, it is not a commutative. Okay, na? A star B is equal to B star A is a commutative or not a commutative, we can check. Okay, na? All right, see. Commutative, everyone see about? Commutative for all A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z, such that A star B is equal to B star A. A star B is equal to B star A. If both are equal, then we say that it is a commutative, otherwise not a commutative. Okay, na? So see, here we take one example. So example is take 3 belongs to Z, 5 belongs to Z, such that 3 star B, 3 star 5 is equal to 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 belonging to the Z. Next, 5 star 3 is equal to, so the what is the 5 star 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Both are equal. A star B, B star A equal, not equal. So LHS is not equal to 3 star 5 value is the minus 2, but 5 star 3 value is the minus plus 2. Both are not equal. Commutative is fail. Commutative is fail. Okay, na? Commutative is fail. Everyone clear? So now see, I will write here. So A star B, see everyone. A star B is equal to A star B is equal to A minus B. Here B star A is equal to B minus A. Both are not equal. So both are not equal. So why mean this is the minus of A minus B. Minus of A minus B. This is the minus of A minus B. This is the minus of A minus B. Both are not equal. A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, the star is not a commutative. Star is not a commutative. Clear, everyone? Example also I give, and theory part also I will write. I give the one example and I write the theory part also. Okay, now clear everyone? Right. Associative number. Associative. Everyone see. Associative means three elements in disorder. Three elements in disorder. For all, A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z, and C belongs to Z, such that A star bracket of B star C is equal to A star B bracket star C. Right, see, both are same or not same, you can observe. Everyone observe, both are same. Now find out, draw the line, left hand side find out, right hand side find out. So A star B star C is the B minus C. B star C is the B minus C. Is it clear? Again, A star, this is the first element, this is the second element, A minus of B minus C. First element minus second element, first element minus second element. So that is equal to, what is the value? Write down A minus B plus C. This value is A minus B minus is the plus C. A minus B minus is the plus C. First everyone see. So first element, second element, first write down this one. A star, this is the B minus C. This is the B minus C. First element, second element, A minus of B minus C. This is the A minus B minus is the plus C. Okay, na? This side. Here, come to this. Is equal to bracket of A star B star C. Now find out. A star B is the A minus B star C. A minus B star C. First element minus second element. A minus B minus of C. Both are equal. Here is the A minus B plus C, but all are negative. A minus B minus C. So both are not equal. LHS is not equal to RHS. Not equal to RHS. Star is not a associative. Star is not a associative. Star is not associative. Is not associative. Star is not associative. Okay, now? Star is not associative. Star is not associative. Is it clear, everyone? Second problem, second bit fast you can do. Second problem we should do. Second problem, second bit. Second problem, second bit. What is the set is given by rational numbers? What is the rational numbers? Is the P by Q form. Q is not equal to 0. All integers also rational numbers, and P by Q form also rational numbers. Integers, all integers and P by Q form element are called as a rational numbers. Okay, na? Right. Next one. Star is defined by A star B is defined by product and add plus 1. Product of the two elements and add plus 1. Is a binary operation or not a binary operation? Everyone check. Take one example and write down, and then statement write down. That's enough. If an example is clear, immediately write down the statement. Okay, na? So example and statement. Right. Everyone see second problem is binary operation. First I will take example. 1 by 2 belongs to rational number. 3 belongs to rational number such that 1 by 2 star 3. 1 by 2 star 3. What is the value is both are multiplication and add plus 1. 3 by 2 plus 1 value is the 5 by 2. 5 by 2. It is also belonging to the rational number. It is also belonging to the rational number. Product of the two numbers add with 1. It is also, therefore, example is clear. Therefore, write down the for all A belongs to rational number, B belongs to rational number, such that A star B is equal to product of 2 plus 1, also belonging to the rational number. Star is a binary operation. Is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. Okay, now? Star is a binary operation. Next, commutative. Everyone go through the commutative. Commutative. Everyone go through the commutative. What is the commutative is? For all A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q. What is the commutative? Such that A star B is equal to B star A. Now see, product left hand side of product of these two add with 1. AB plus 1. Product of these two add with BA plus 1. BA plus 1 we can write it as AB plus 1 also. BA multiplication is the commutative. So 2 into 3 is a 6. 3 into 2 also 6. So BA plus 1 we can write AB plus 1 also. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So star is a commutative. Star is a commutative. Star is a commutative. Okay, na? Next, associative, write down. Check the associative, everyone. Associative. For all A belongs to Q, B belongs to Q, C belongs to Q, such that A star bracket of B star C is equal to bracket of A star B star C. Now write out left hand side value, right hand side value, find out left hand side, right hand side. So A star B star C, the BC plus 1, BC plus 1. Again, this first element, this second element, star apply, operation apply. First element into second element, first element into second element plus 1,